Hello, my name is Saul Patel. I am the Programme Leader for Sport and Exercise Science at the University of Northampton. We're here in the brand new Sport Science Labs in the amazing £330 million new campus, and we're just going to go through some of the specialist equipment that we've got here in the labs. To start, we have a health and performance lab where we have the Biodex, which is a dynamometry based piece of equipment. This measures strength in a number of different ways. What you can see here is two students testing hamstring quad ratio in a number of different types of contractions, from concentric to eccentric. This piece of equipment is primarily though used for isometric based contraction. We also have ForceDecks, which are two force platforms that our students, you can see here, are using for a drop jump protocol. They are essentially measuring the amount of peak landing force in the participants when they land on the force platform. The ForceDecks can also be used for another measure of functional strength known as the isometric mid-thigh pull. Here you can see some of the students measuring this for a project. We also have a brand new strength and conditioning lab with 5 new lifting Olympic based platforms that the students use in a lot of different applied based movements and modules. Here you can see a couple of the students using the Olympic platforms for both the squat movement and the bench press. The students can also use the free weight sections to use any number of different exercises. Here you can see a skull crusher being performed by our student. We also have a large array of different equipment, including the watt bikes, which are used for a great measure of power. We also have a very large physiology lab where we can use treadmills, cyclogometry, cortex analyzers and Douglas bag analysis for breath by breath analysis and for measuring things like our oxygen and carbon dioxide that we actually emit during exercise. Thanks very much for coming along today to see the equipment in the Sports Science Labs. Please do feel free to come along to one of the virtual open days to find out more information.